Hello, my name is Robert Herrera with Skip Court Mediation, and I resolve disputes. Today I want to talk to you about divorce and mediation. Now, we've all heard the horror stories of our friends or family members, or maybe even yourself, who've gone through a divorce and have spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and spent months, if not years, of their life in the court, only to come out with an outcome that was less than ideal for them, which requires them to continue to go back to court over and over again. And that is, unfortunately, one way that is very common for divorces to play out. Another way for a divorce to play out would be to consider mediating a divorce. Now, what does that exactly look like? Well, mediating your divorce is very, very different. Typically, what you want to do is search for and find a mediator that specializes in divorce and has the background and experience to be able to guide the parties through, one, what the filing paperwork is going to be, and two, what are some milestones in the divorce process that they need to be aware of as they go through. Now, the mediator will not be providing any legal advice, and so if either of the parties does want legal advice, they're highly encouraged to go and have counsel to represent them or to give them the answers to the legal information that they're seeking. Now, the divorce mediation is very, very different, in where the mediator is helping the parties to discuss the topics that will have to be addressed in the divorce proceedings with the court. And the court encourages this. In fact, the court will order the parties to mediation. And so if the parties are to start out in mediation when the divorce is first, they're able to save themselves quite a bit of time and money and setting themselves up for typically success, because they've already sat down and discussed and thought about a lot of these issues that may come up and will need to be addressed by the court. And some of those issues may concern the assets, the liabilities, putting together a parenting plan if there are children involved, if there are significant assets, how those assets and liabilities will be distributed, if there is a maintenance issue. These are all things that a good, skilled mediator will be able to address with the parties. And if you've seen any of the videos prior to this, you know that the mediation is much more cost-effective typically for the parties than having attorneys involved on both sides and then having the court make a decision for you. So if you're considering the divorce and want some more information about how mediation may help in that divorce process to be much more smooth, time-sensitive, and economical process for you, please feel free to give Skip Court Mediation a call. We'd be happy to discuss that with you. Our number is 970-888-1375. Thank you.